Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs under the microscope, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for most people. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for most people? They've got the essentials on lock. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your personal info stays safe from snoopers. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so you never risk exposing your real IP while online. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't track what you do on the internet. But the places where they differ, that's what really matters for most people. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for most people because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites full of trackers or scams, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called Meshnet, letting you connect securely with family or friends. The one small negative? A limit of 10 devices at a time. Now, that device limit is no problem with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can run it on your laptop, phone, tablet, and more, all at once. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any tech-savvy user can check their code for backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a pledge, it's been proven. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce? It owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen. They have full control over all their gear, which means a more stable connection for you. For most people who want consistent, reliable speeds, this can make a huge difference. IPVanish also provides a SOC 5 proxy for users wanting to customize their connection for extra performance. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for most people? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means quicker loading times and smoother streaming. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive steady connections using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our tests found its speeds can vary depending on the server you pick. So, which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if speed and advanced protection are your top priorities. Or if you want the best all-around VPN with the most features. Go with IPVanish if you've got a lot of devices or a whole household that needs secure internet at once. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer incredible value. And finally, pick PIA if you're on a budget or a privacy-focused user who needs proof their data is safe. Its open source apps and proven no-logs record are truly unique. And that's it. We're all out of time. So if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're running for most people. See you soon.